Welcome to the Dress Up Mom. Howdy friends. I recently scored this gorgeous Stetson hat that used to be my dad's, but it's a little bit too big for me. So in this video, I am going to try an easy, quick way to make it smaller and fit a lot better. But first, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you are a regular viewer and subscriber, I absolutely love you. Thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed and liked the videos, please do. It's the button. It's just here. It'll mean everything to me trying to grow the channel. We are also on all the social media outlets, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, at the Dress Up Mom, hashtag the Dress Up Mom, and you can check us out there too. My parents recently moved to assisted living, and my sister and I have had to clear out everything in their house because we're getting it ready to sell, and there's a lot of stuff in there. So I'm going to be doing a video about that as well, just how we've done it, because I know a lot of you are out there in that same situation. But I definitely have scored some very cool things out of this house clear out. One of them is this beautiful Stetson hat. I mean, it's original. They're just so gorgeously made. It's the felt. I think this color sort of goes with everything. I really love the little feather, and this is a beautiful leather thing that surrounds it here. And I didn't really have a nice cowboy hat or a western hat. I'm going out to the Southwest this summer and super, super excited that I was able to get this. And this was a hat that was my dad's that my uncle got for him. And my husband always loved this hat and said, you know, if you ever don't want the hat anymore, I would love to have it. So when we were clearing out the house, my dad found it and gave it to Doug. Well, it's too small for Doug. It's too small. Doug's head is too big for this hat. So guess who gets it? That's me. Anyhow, it's a little big. And I kind of thought about leaving it like this, but I recently learned this super easy way and cheap way to make a hat smaller. So I'm going to walk you through that as I do it. I've never done it before, but I'm hoping it works and makes this hat just perfect. Okay, here is what I am using. It's this little like a foam, stick-off foam, and it is from a company called San Diego Hat Company. And I love it that it's a San Diego company right around the corner. I actually ended up finding this on Amazon for less than $10. So it's a, let's open it up here. So it's a double-sided, like a foam situation that has the a sticky side and then another side that you're gonna take off when you stick down. So here is how I saw on YouTube to do this. You're supposed to take the inside. Look how gorgeous this hat is. Even this little picture inside of it. Oh, so lovely. So you take the, whatever this part of the hat is called, and you push it up. And then underneath it, see there's like this little section here underneath. And I'm just gonna run this tape all along this underneath section and see if it makes it just the right size. If it was, it is a little big, so I'm gonna try to I'm gonna run it around the entire bottom part of the hat, just because I think I wanna make it a full size. So here I go. Ugh, you know, I'm not really crafty, this stuff scares me. But there's a section right here that this is kind of cool. You can't see it, but it's exactly the right, it's a nice, this is a thin foam. They have thicker ones too. And it's exactly the size of this leather that's in the trim of here. So let me just move this all the way around. Got a bunch left for any other hat I need. So you can see in here, it's stuck in really, really well. And I'm just gonna flatten it in a little bit more. This hat, by the way, is vintage. It's from probably the 80s, I think, or 90s, the latest. And I'm just gonna fold this back in. So it'll never be shown. You'll never even see that this was done. I can see too that if I ever needed to make it even bigger or somebody else needed it bigger, you could take it out if it's somebody's, you know, if my head gets bigger or something, or if somebody else wants it. So let's give this a go. Oh, wow. It is now literally perfect. I love it. That could not have been easier and great. So I would recommend from the San Diego Hat Company this hat foam. That's what it's called. It's just hat sizing foam. If you go on Amazon, you can buy it for, like I said, less than 10 bucks. Get your hat in perfect order in like 2 minutes flat. Let me know if you've done this before or if you have a really cool cowboy hat, Western hat or whatever. I guess it's a cowboy hat, right? I will definitely enjoy wearing this hat, and it has some wonderfully fond memories with it as well, since it was my dad's that my uncle got him. You'll be seeing it in my What I Wore videos, and certainly when I head out to Sedona and the Grand Canyon this summer. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Until next time, have some fun and dress it up a little.